Hello everyone, Roberts here. So, paano ba nakakatulong yung pag-inom ng tubig sa healthy na bituka natin or gut? Okay? So, yung drinking water natin guys is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support your gut and health. Okay? So, ito yung tumutulong sa kanya. Number one is aids digestion. So, water can help break down food so your body can absorb nutrients and more efficiency. So, number two then is prevent constipation. Water softens stool, make it easier to pass. Then pangatlo, we have support gut microbiome. Then pangapat, four is balance stomach acid. So drinking water dilutes excess stomach acid and help prevent cause like acid reflux or heartburn. Okay? So panglima is flushes out toxins. Okay? So water helps remove waste toxins guys. So from digestive system, supporting liver and kidney function as well. So, yun yung nakakatulong ng pag-inom ng tubig natin, nag-isak. So, paano best tip para how many glasses of water na kailangan natin inumin? So, drinking water daily 8 to 10 cups or 2 to 2.5 liters of waters daily po. If active or hot climates yun, no? So, start in the morning with a glass of water. Pagising natin sa umaga, inom tayo ng tubig diretso. Okay? Better if warm water and add slice of lemon or extra digestive benefits. Okay? So, don't worry guys. Kaya nyo yan. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me and share this live to your family and friends para ma-inform din sila. So, Coverage, signing off. Bye.